Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be talking all about capacities. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to give you guys a bit of insight on what capacities actually is and what it's used for, if you guys have ever used anything like Obsidian or Evernote, then it's pretty much the same deal. Only capacities offers a different note-taking experience. One of their slogans even goes, "A studio for your mind." So what it is exactly is a network-based note-taking app, meaning to say that any notes that you take are saved into their servers or their cloud. So this way you're able to safeguard your notes without the risk of losing it, as all of that data is stored into Capacity servers. So that's pretty cool. Now the accurate description even goes, Capacities is an object-based note-taking experience, also known as a studio for your mind. It's a place for storing all thoughts and ideas to create personal knowledge management system, or PKM. Create a visual representation of all thoughts, ideas, and knowledge, and link them all together inside this object-based note-taking system. Instead of files and clutter, create objects instead. Connect these objects and create a network of thoughts to reflect on whenever you wish. So put simply, it's a creative way of taking notes where you're able to like interlink different ideas with pictures on them to let you know which ones are codependent, or which ones are like the details for which idea and whatnot. So it's a good way to really make that information stick to your head. So a couple of the note-taking formats that Capacities offers are graphs, objects, block-based editing, daily notes, contextual backlinks, full-text search, and messenger integration, which is cool. So stuff like WhatsApp, emails, and Meta Messenger can work collaboratively with Capacities. So that's awesome. Now let's take a quick dive to look at its UI and just exactly how Capacities works. So it looks a bit like this. So it's your run-of-the-mill dashboard with the left-hand side containing all the sub-menus for all of your notes and stuff, right? Now the main body will contain a variety of different elements. Like for example, let's say you're taking notes for the Museum of Natural History. Now you can insert something like an image to represent what the note contains and what it's all about. Stuff like tags, descriptions, and on the right side you can have a graph view showing you like something like which parts of the museum represent what. Like the north part of the museum will be all about dinosaurs, while the right side will show you geographical, or rather historical discoveries and stuff like that. You get the idea. So to show you guys a bit more of its core structures, here you are. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So at the end of the day, it's a cloud-based note-taking app, but much more than that, it's very creative and intuitive in the ways that it lets you take notes. So like the little preview I showed you guys before, it lets you take notes in such a manner where everything is vivid and easy to read. So here you are. So yeah, that's some capacities in a nutshell. So if you guys feel like this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys wanna see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel, as well as making sure that the bell notification is turned on. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.